Hi my friends, today I'm here with the Google Pixel 3 and this is a brand new unit, so I'm going to unbox it for you today. And in history I feel this is the most leaked phone. If you see here on the front side you have the Google Pixel 3 branding. Over here there's nothing. Over here there's some seller stickers. Over here is the side view of the phone. Now since I bought this from Souq.com in Dubai, the Souq gives me its warranty. Over here it says that it's imported from Canada. It has one IMEI number, that's for the normal SIM, and this is the eSIM. And here you say Team Pixel. So let's unbox it. Here we open the seal. Let's open the seal over here. And it's the moment to unbox the Google Pixel 3. The sticker over here. Souq. Let's remove it. And there you go. There you have the phone itself. Let's keep the phone aside. Let's see what are the other contents of the box. Okay, over here you get some branding. First is the SIM ejector tool. Next are some booklets. Oh, this is a Team Pixel sticker. This is something very good. I'll use it for my laptop maybe, or some other things, and some other manuals over here. Let's see what's over here. And surprisingly, this year Google has given its earphones. So these are Google Pixel you can say Google Assistant friendly earphones. These are with USB-C ports, and there's a button. Let me just open this. There's a button over here. If you press this, you will have access to the Google Assistant. Let's keep this aside. Let's see what's there over here. Okay, so this looks like a fast charging brick, and this is something at 18 watts. Yeah, not 18 watts. So yeah, this is at 18 watts, and this is a USB-C input. So you have a USB-C to USB-C, and this is what like iPhone has stopped from this year, the USB 3.5 to micro USB-C port, and this is like USB-A to USB-C. This is like to transfer data from your iPhone or any other phone. So let's keep this aside and let's unbox the phone itself. That's the Pixel 3 for you. And let me give you a configuration overview or the specs overview of this phone. Now this is the SIM card slot over here. This is sorry, not this is the SIM card slot. This is the microphone over here. Over here you have the power button. This is the volume up and volume rocker. Over here you have the micro USB, and this side we have nothing. And this is where's the SIM ejector tool? Oh yeah, the SIM ejector is over here at the bottom. Surprising. And the back side we have the Pixel fingerprint scanner. This is the camera, and guys, this phone has a mind-blowing camera. This is the this is the infrared, and this is the, you can say, flash, and this is the Google branding. So let's go and let's boot this. Now this is powered by a Snapdragon 845 processor, and this is Google's offering for 2018. Now the most controversial thing about this is this notch. As you see over here, it has two cameras. One is for 95 degrees and one for 75 degrees, both one for group and one for the normal selfie. And we have stereo speakers on this. One is over here and one is over here. So it has booted up, and this is a quick unboxing for you. Now what I'll do is I will just set up this phone and come up with a full review of mine on this phone in my next video. I'll describe about pros and cons on this phone, and I will let you know what Google has for us this year. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.